over down by the river. They throw the doorknobs in the river. Because the Jasper's doing throwing them doorknobs in the river. Oh yeah, so we're gonna collect our big doorknob Jaspers. Put his thingy on. Because doorknobs, they need to be thrown in the river. Oh yeah, I got to collect the doorman in the river. Oh yeah, because Jasper looks at the 2 a.m. with the doorknob creeping. Oh yeah. Beware of touching doorknobs, especially after Jasper's been out. Oh yeah. Beware of touching doorknobs, especially after Jasper's been out. Oh yeah. Touching doorknobs, especially after Jasper's been out. Oh yeah. Touching doorknobs, especially after Jasper's been out. Oh yeah. Beware of touching doorknobs, especially after Jasper's been out. Oh yeah.